look out, look out, look out. You know what I'm saying? We in the building, y'all. Look out, look out. Just got to the track. Y'all they done got a picture of me sneaking in. Got some juice. Yeah. Look like he turned it on. Hey, when y'all come in, make sure y'all just know you need to hit one of them buttons. Like, share, subscribe. We got Poncho Real in the house. Look out, look out. Darian, Hutchinson, Brian, Henderson, Tommy, Cook. Look out, look out. Boy, I was in the car a while ago, I was jamming. Whoa, I was jamming. Baby, 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 baby. Don't be so cold. Okay. Hey, you got that intake or what?
I got nothing.
Oh, you ain't got nothing? It's bone stock? Okay.
Speed.
Bone stock, y'all. Come on.
And we got V6.
That's alright. Let's stop in a minute.
What's this on?
Left lane for the win. We got demonology in the house, y'all. Look out, look out. Now, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to Look Out Racing. Very good friend of mine, and I'd like y'all to go ahead and hit that button one time for the one-time form.
Go get it.
Me and Cindyology. We're over here now about to put up these dishes from dinner. Hey, you got that intake, right? Yeah, okay.
I ain't got shit to start.
Oh, but you got that intake though.
I ain't got none.
Damn. I ain't got shit. Okay. Okay, we got Brian Henderson in the building, Stephen Rooney.
Hello, Mr. Rooney.
On every fucking day.
Yeah, guys, we got a lot of dishes over here to wash. Cindyology just prepared steaks and shrimp with a little picante sauce. Yeah, I love picante sauce, y'all.
Guys, you got about 15 minutes. The concession stands will be closed. You got about 15 minutes.
Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? Let me show y'all something. Hold on. I got the cars. I already read it right here. Check it out. I don't know how he... Look. Boom. Going down like James Brown. Yeah, Look Out Racing, man. Tell your uncle now, man. I'm telling you, it's going down. Tell him I told him, suscríbete. I learned Spanish for him, man. Suscríbete, dale me gusta. Tell him make sure he dale. Okay, dale me gusta. Yeah. Alex Butler. I don't know, I just feel like playing tonight, y'all.
Look out, look out, look out. I'm looking at you.
Yeah, man.
How that car come along?
I ain't even called.
But whenever you do, you got your team on your.
Yeah. Yeah.
So let me know something.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna let you know. Okay, hey man, I'ma need that hat tomorrow, bro. I I need that hat tomorrow, man.
Man, you can get on.
I need one of them, man. Ooh, I'm gonna be clean with that. Yeah.
And then when you put it down,
Yeah.
if you still like set it like I set it like this.
Yeah.
So when I got it, it's stuck there.
Okay, I'm gonna get me one. I'm gonna get. Oh man. Got old beans.
I want to get it back.
Oh, we got Jeanette Mendoza on here. You know her?
She said
Jeanette Mendoza.
She said she went to school.
Yeah. You know her, fool. I'm telling you. Let me see. Hey, you got that intake, right?
Huh?
They said you got that intake. You stopped? What the fuck? Something. Hey, y'all, let me spice this thing up. Hey, I'm on here, man. You talking about him right here? Let me make sure. My boy talking about he went to school with you, man. I'm trying to see. Hold on. With the gray shirt. Marty. He say Marty. You know him? Man. Marty.
I bet he had in school. I bet he had friends in high
He say 11th grade. 11th grade. You don't remember him? Marty, you know him? Is you sure you talking about him in the gray shirt? Marty. Yeah, he said 11th grade. You know, what's his last name? Hey, what's your last name, man? Let me see if he know you. Hold on. Let me get this burnout.
No burnout.
Hey, what's your last name? He trying to figure out what. Oh, that thing running. Okay. Hey, he say last name Combs like Puff Daddy.